Today, we will be going over the instruction on how to set up your Foam Daddy Snow Blizzard machine. Included in box are 3/4 horsepower fan, 2 small blowers with nets, 1 submersible pump, 2 clear tubes, 1 gallon of snow solution. You will need to provide 5-gallon bucket and a power strip. First, you will insert both blowers that have nets into holes on either side of fan. Set up tripod stand and use clips to hang machine from the T-bar at the top of the stand. Attach clear tubes from small blowers to submersible pump. Plug fan, blowers, and pump into the power strip. Place pump inside empty 5-gallon bucket. Add 1 cup of solution per every 5 gallons of water, depending on how big you want your snowflakes. The more solution, the bigger the flake. Give us a call if you have any questions.